So hello and welcome to the demo detecting illicit drone video filming using cryptanalysis. This demo is co-authored by Ben-Nassi, Ben-Netanel, Professor Shamir, and Professor Yuval Elovic. And this demo is based on two papers that were published on Auckland 19 and in IEEE Security and Privacy magazine last month. So the research question that we ask ourselves is, in an open skies era in which drones can fly between us, how can we determine whether a drone that is passing near a house is being used by its operator for a legitimate purpose, for example, delivering pizza, or an illegitimate purpose, for example, spying on an organization? And this is a scientific gap. However, I'm about to show you that we are able to resolve it. And we actually focus on the downlink of drones, which is the video streaming channel, which consists of 5 stages. However, the last 3 stages are important, which are the video encoder, which is H.264, and encryption and modulation that is provided by Wi-Fi. Now, when Wi-Fi is used for FPV channel for video streaming, the video stream is encrypted, so the video is completely secured. However, we found that by placing a drone in front of an LED board and using the LED board as flicker in a fixed frequency, we are able to create bursts in the time domain, which are basically, you can influence the amount of data that is being sent by the drone to its operator. And you can see in here how 3 Hz flickering LED created 6 bursts in the intercepted bitrate signal. And this has happened because H.264 compression algorithm is variable bitrate algorithm, and the amount of encoded data is dependent on the changes between consecutive frames. So we actually decided to leverage this understanding, and you're about to see 2 demos. In the first demo, a victim is located inside his house, and there's a smart film which is attached to the window, and it is now being used as flicker. And again, the smart film was used as flicker. And in the second demo, you can see in here, a siren is being mounted to the top of a car, and the victim is actually driving in its car, and the siren is being used as flicker. And we found that by analyzing the intercepted bitrate signal in the frequency domain, you can easily isolate the frequency that was influenced by the flicker and understand whether a drone was used to spy after a victim. Thank you.